Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, remote engine start, LED headlights, power liftgate. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.